Hello, friends! This is Natasha and the Cryptemic Academy. In this episode, we will analyze the main news of the crypto market, fintech, and economy in simple words. Stay with us. Chinese automakers are stepping up their expansion into Europe amid Trump-era US tariffs, with BYD, XPeng, and Leapmotor showing off new electric and hybrid vehicles in Munich, strengthening local partnerships and moving some production to the EU to circumvent tariffs and more quickly capture a market that is moving away from internal combustion engines. Eric Trump attends Metaplanet shareholders meeting. Company builds Bitcoin reserves as shares fall. Metaplanet has bought more Bitcoins, around 20,000 in total, and is preparing a new share issue to raise capital, but the stock is falling. Trump family involvement fuels interest in the more Bitcoin on the balance sheet strategy. El Salvador to host world's first national Bitcoin conference. The government is organizing a major event on regulations, infrastructure, and education. It cements the country's status as a leader in crypto and could prompt other countries to take similar steps. Indian rupee crisis, US tariffs. Weigh on currency and economy. Rupee weakens on tariffs and higher import prices. Some investors turn to Bitcoin and stablecoins as a harder alternative amid inflation risks. Russia and China are switching to settlements in rubles and yuan. The dollar and euro have been forced out. Trade is almost entirely in national currencies. This strengthens the trend towards de-dollarization and reduces the role of the dollar in mutual settlements between the two countries. Bunny Dex hacked. $2.3 million stolen through smart contract vulnerability. Hackers withdrew funds from Ethereum exchange. Case reminds DeFi of audits, limits, and risk diversification. Stripe has integrated with WorldCoin. WLD can now be purchased directly with dollars. In the US, WLD can be topped up via cards, bank, and PayPal directly in the World app, making entry into crypto easier for newcomers. CFTC launch joint initiative to regulate crypto asset trading. Regulators sync rules for spot products clearing and monitoring. More clarity and institutional interest expected. Shiba Inu launches first cross-chain, memcoin lending marketplace on Folks Finance. Chainlink CCIP allows SHIB to be deposited and borrowed across networks through a single pool. Incentives for liquidity and community activity launched. Trump family enters Bitcoin mining market with American Bitcoin, merging with Griffon Digital and aiming for a NASDAQ listing, ticker ABTC. The move heightens the focus on the mining industry and its institutional prospects. This is where our episode ends. Do you think the joint SEC-CFTC initiative will provide real clarity and an influx of large capital? Is Metaplanet's strategy of accumulating Bitcoins when stocks are falling justified? And will we see a massive influx of newcomers after Stripe simplifies the purchase of WLD? Share your opinion in the comments. And if you want to dig deeper into crypto trends and learn how to work effectively with assets, visit the Cryptemic Academy. We have courses on trading, security, and analytics. Subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next episode.